I am about to do something truly unprecedented. I am going to give you full PLR rights. That means you can sell, you can give away, you can use it as a bonus to 3 of my top selling courses. These aren't individual lessons, like one-off video courses that I've given away in the past. These are 3 of my best-selling products, complete with all the graphics and all the other materials that goes with it. You're going to be able to sell them, give them away, use as a bonus. 3 of my best-selling courses that have made me tens of thousands of dollars. I'm going to let you have them with PLR rights. That means you can sell it as your own. You don't have to even go through me. You get all the videos, you get all the content that goes with it. You're going to have everything. I'm going to tell you all about it and why I'm doing that in my review of the IM VIP training closing sale. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I'm known as the man with the hat. And that's because I wear a fedora pretty much everywhere that I go. I am one of the very few people who can't pull successfully. Well, me and my brain Neil over here. Now, if you are new to the channel, by the way, if you are not new, you know by now that you can skip ahead because my jokes, they're bad. I get it. They're really, really bad jokes. They're not even dad jokes. They're just stale, old, recycled jokes, and we don't even do that much recycling here. I mean, we do recycle like metal and glass, but we don't recycle paper for some reason. I don't get why. But I recycle jokes, so go figure. I guess I'm doing my job, my part to save the environment, right? Anyway, but seriously, if you are new to the channel, what I do here is 2 things. I review software and info products that make money online niche. And why would I do such a thing, you might ask? Well, it's very, very simple. So make sure that you don't end up buying a bunch of crap.
A piece of crap.
A piece of crap.
Newman, that guy, along with the crazy guy who talks about loving crap, and Bart Simpson, they keep going on and on about crap. Nobody wants crap. Nobody. You don't want crap. Seriously, Newman, get a life. Yeah. But seriously, if you ever do, wait to work here. If I like a product, I will give a tip of my hat to the product creator. If I don't, better luck next time. Now, I also do a lot of videos on volume mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Well, thank you, Liz. And I see Liz, she is a sweetheart. We used to live nearby each other. Liz is a New Yorker. I used to be a New Yorker. I moved to Pennsylvania just over a year ago, bought a beautiful house, which I absolutely adore. But you know what? I can't get angry at Liz because she's still a sweetheart. Anyhow, but seriously, if you are new, make sure you smash that subscribe button, hit the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos. Make sure you like this video, comment down below. Let's get right into this. Okay, so we're looking right now at the sales page for the IM VIP training closing sale. This is from my friend Kevin Fahey. Kevin is one of the biggest names in the industry. Now, this screenshot that you're looking at right now is not his. This is from one of his students. Check this out. This is what his student Sajan looked like before. Okay, lots and lots of clicks, 0 sales. And then he started selling on ClickBank over here, $205,000. Okay, that is impressive. Okay, this is Kevin's numbers, over $1 million generated from his sales. And this is just one of his websites. He works on multiple places. All right, and now what exactly is he giving you here? So basically what Kevin did was he said, I'm going to give you everything that I've ever put together, and I'm going to let you have it all, and you can learn from everything I've done. Basically, this is kind of like a retirement sale almost. He's giving you all of the big ticket items that he usually charges thousands of dollars for. He's giving you everything included here for free. Well, for the price of one product, basically $44 right now. Very, very low price when you think about it. Now, what am I going to do for you is I am doing something crazy. So Local Video Jackpot was my very first product that I ever created. It sold about 1,500 copies and made me tens of thousands of dollars. I'm giving you Local Video Jackpot together with all of the videos included with it, plus all of the explainer videos I created for it. You get the whole package. You're gonna be able to download everything, rebrand it, sell it as your own, You can give it a different name, whatever you want to do with it, and sell it as your own product. Okay. Plus, I'm also going to give you Graphic Supremacy, which is one of my best products ever. It's a course about how I'm able to do graphics work, even though I don't know a blessed thing about graphics. I'm horrible with graphics. I'm also partially colorblind, but I'm still able to do it because of the fact that I actually do happen to know how to copy and paste. And that's pretty much all you need to know how to do. And I also teach you where to sell stuff. Plus, I give you ready-made graphics that you can actually sell. And I also say where to sell it. That's included with this package as well. Plus, I'm giving you the income formula, which is my super secret training, where I'm going to teach you and anybody you sell this to, what I call reverse launch jacking, which is a really cool method for making money, even though a lot of people just do launch jacking, and it's getting harder and harder to do that. Reverse launch jacking actually takes an opposite approach and really hones in on that. So you're going to get all three of those with full PLR rights. Now, understand what that means. I'm not just giving you the course, because giving the course, that would in itself be valuable, because right now all those courses together, let's see, local video jackpot is currently $57, graphics memory is $20, income formula is $20. Okay, so that alone, you're talking over $100 worth of courses that I still sell those courses. I'm giving you the right to sell them yourself, and not even just, where you send traffic to my sales page. You get to rebrand them and sell them as your own product. You literally can take my stuff, you can cut and paste it, do whatever you want with it. You have the right to sell it, rebrand it, make it your own product, launch it, whatever you want. You can't launch it as a front-end product on Warrior Plus. They don't allow you to do that. But if you want to use it as an upsell, you can use an upsell, no problem, on Warrior Plus. Okay, that's just what you're going to get from me. You're getting all of that. Now, you're also, of course, getting all of this training material from Kevin. And Kevin is one of the top names in the industry who is really going to help you to pop with making money on that. So let's go check out the members area real quick over here. You can see here, everything is included. Kevin just sent me one of his students' access accounts, and you can see all of the materials that are included with this package. It's truly one of the biggest packages I've ever seen with training. Now, if you pick up any upgrade to this, by the way, then basically when you get PLR to my products, you might want to actually create your own sales video. And by the way, you can sell these things on other platforms also. I mean, you could sell them, for example, on Udemy if you want to sell them on Udemy. I'm assuming that they don't care. Pick up any upgrade that is worth at least any combination rather of upgrades worth at least $200, and I'm going to give you a custom-made video sales letter. And what I mean by that, I don't mean something that's cut and paste. I mean it's custom-made with a full video, with full voiceover, with background music and professional voiceover. I'm not talking about those computer-generated voiceovers. I see them all the time, and they're cringeworthy because they sound just this side of human. This is where I actually record the voiceover for you. These are the same video sales letters that I use to sell my own products and that I make thousands of dollars from. I usually charge $500 for them to customers who buy them from me, and I sell them all the time. You're going to get it for $200 plus all the good stuff from Kevin if you pick up any upgrades worth at least $200 from me. Okay, and you get access to all of this stuff, by the way. Plus, of course, you're getting 3 of my own products with full PLR rights included. So let's see if I'm going to go ahead and give a tip of my hat to the product creator or not.
You the man.
Yeah, seriously, you the man. Okay, this is really, really high quality stuff. This is so worth picking up. Grab this. You are absolutely going to love it. The man behind me, if he was actually not a painting, he would be tipping his hat really, really big. Also, because this is immense. Grab this, you're going to love it.